Hi, my name is Ksenia Guseva. I am an embroidery artist from St. Petersburg, Russia. You may also know me as Femix Stitch. My clients are people who want to learn embroidery and people who enjoy architecture and traveling. One of the things that makes me happy is to see my works in other people's homes all around the world. I was always interested in creating and tried everything I could. Crocheting, knitting, cross-stitching, sewing, sketching, until I finally found my medium, hand embroidery. I love the idea that I can create something from scratch and teach you how to make it. No matter where I live, I can communicate with people around the world. My main interest is architecture, and I've created over 100 of city patterns already. My other passion is upcycling and customizing. Embroidery makes everything better. I love to experiment with surfaces and fabric. Cotton, jeans, bags, t-shirts, and even trainers. With this technique, you can completely transform your clothes and give them second, more exciting life. In this Domestika course, I will show you how to upcycle and customize your clothes with embroidery. For the final project, you will embroider a landmark or any other theme on a piece of garment of your choice. First, we will discuss what clothes you can use for this course, and I will show you embroidery basics. Then we will discuss ideas and colors, and we will see the process of how to transfer our images and sketches onto the garment. Finally, I will show you how to take care of clothes you've stitched on. At the end of this course, you will have learned the skills to upcycle any clothing of your choice and customize it with your favorite idea. One of my goals is to show you that you only need the desire and patience to embroider. Practice and you'll be able to embroider anything. For this course, you will use needles, cotton, embroidery hoop, water-soluble or tear-away stabilizer, small scissors, water-soluble or heat-erasable pen, piece of garment of your choice, and a cotton embroidery thread with 6 strands. Combine embroidery and upcycling to give more personality to your clothes.